హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు భువికా స్టడీస్. మనం వచ్చేసి ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో 100 మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ జనరల్ సైన్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి, ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకండి. ఈ వీడియో అనేది మీకు చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్, మనం డైలీ జీకే వచ్చేసి 10 o'clock మార్నింగ్, జిఎస్ వచ్చేసి ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 2 o'clock, కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ వీక్లీ అనమాట, అది మనం సండే మాత్రమే అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఎవరైనా కానీ ఇప్పటి వరకు టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ని బై చేయకపోయింటే ప్లీజ్ బై చేయండి. మనకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చేసి 399 రూపీస్కే 2500 క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే ఈ బుక్తో సహా మనకు ఇయర్లీ పాస్ అనేది వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతోంది. సో ఇందులో మీకు తెలుగులో కూడా ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి, అలాగే కొత్తగా ఫుల్ మాక్ టెస్ట్లు కూడా వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మీరు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కోసం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళక్కర్లేదు, జస్ట్ మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో జాయిన్ అయితే చాలు, మీకు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కూడా మీకు అవైలబుల్లో ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్స్ కూడా తెలుగులోనే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో లింక్ అనేది కింద నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇచ్చాను. ఆ లింక్ ద్వారా కానీ మీరు జాయిన్ అయితే మీకు 30% డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది వాళ్ళు మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆలస్యం ఎందుకు, కింద లింక్ ఉంది, జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, సో చాలామంది వీడియోస్ అనేది షార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయని చెప్తున్నారు. సో మీకు మేము టైం సేవ్ చేయడానికి కోసమే మేము వీడియోస్ అనేది చాలా షార్ట్గా చేయడం జరుగుతోంది. సో ఈ వీడియోలో వచ్చేసి మనం జనరల్ సైన్స్కి సంబంధించిన టాప్ 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. ఎవరైనా కానీ మా ఛానల్ని ఇప్పటివరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోయింటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, పక్కన బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ నోటిఫికేషన్ని ఆన్ చేసుకోండి.
Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss all the important questions from general science that you can definitely expect for upcoming exam like SSC as well as railway exam. Okay, so let's begin this session. So the first question is, tubelights are filled with mercury vapor and argon. In human body, which body part has the most number of bones? And it is the hands. Non-stick coating of utensils are made of Teflon. Gases used in welding are acetylene and oxygen. What is used to produce artificial rain? And it is silver iodide. Gases used for ripening of raw fruit is ethylene and acetylene. The main ore of mercury is cinnabar. Eggshells are made of calcium carbonate. The most abundant element in earth crust is oxygen. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and C, and the fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. The common preservative used in food processing industry is benzoic acid. The first organic compound synthesized in laboratory was urea by Frederick Holler. The quantity of human blood is what percentage of total weight? And it is 7% of total weight. Substance used in cancer treatment is cobalt 60. The smell of onions and garlic is due to the presence of potassium. Iron is extracted from the ore of hematite, and aluminium is extracted from the ore of bauxite, and copper are extracted from copper pyrite. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. The compound responsible for temporary hardness of water is due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, and compound responsible for permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of sulfides and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight and fish liver. Zinc phosphide is also used as a rat poison. Fuse wire is made of lead and tin. The purest form of iron is wrought iron. Radium is extracted from pitch blende. The gases used by sea divers for breathing is a mixture of oxygen and helium. The most abundant metal in earth crust is aluminium. During the process of rusting, the weight of iron increases. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? And the answer is mercury. What is used to prepare fireproof and waterproof clothes? And it is calcium hydride. Galvanized irons are coated with zinc. Glasses are made with a mixture of sand and silicates. Which metal is used in photoelectric cell? And it is selenium. The most important raw material required in cement industry is limestone and clay. Detergents used for cleaning clothes and utensils contains sulfonates. The heavy water used in nuclear reactor as a moderator is deuterium oxide, also called D2O. The gases used to extinguish fire is carbon dioxide. The mixed gland of human body is pancreas. The length of stomach is 25 centimeter. Chlorine is used to prepare PVC and insecticides. The pH of urine is 6. The hardest bone of human body is femur, also called thigh bone. The chemical name of picric acid is trinitrophenol. Laughing gas are also called N2O. The total number of muscles in a human body is 640. Platinum is also called white gold. Which material is used in making safety matches, and it is red phosphorus? The nail polish remover contains acetone. Which acid is present in orange, and it is citric acid? Lead pencil contains graphite. The gas used in filling electric bulb is argon. The lightest metal is lithium. Acid rain is due to the air pollution with nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. The gas used in cigarette lighters is butane. The petroleum is found in sedimentary rocks. All noble gases are colorless and odorless. The weight of a brain is 1.36 kg. The luster of metal is due to the presence of free electrons. The gas used in fire extinguisher is carbon dioxide, and the gas used in cigarette lighters is butane. Biogas contains methane. The chemical used as a fixer in photography is sodium thiosulfide. The largest organ of human body is skin. Xenon is also called stranger gas. Natural rubber is a polymer derived from isoprene. Sulfuric acid is also called oil of vitriol. Paper is chemically called cellulose. The impurity present in a ore is called gangue. Which metal is called metal of future, and it is titanium? And which gland is called master gland, and it is pituitary gland? Most of the explosion in mines occur due to the mixing of methane with air. Vinegar is an aqueous solution of acetic acid. Which metal is found in liquid form, and it is mercury? The most important metal used with iron to produce stainless steel is chromium. The gas responsible for swelling of bread is carbon dioxide. The metal constituent of chlorophyll is magnesium. The gas used for etching glass is hydrofluoric acid. Which gas is filled in refrigerator, and it is chlorofluorocarbon, also called CFCs. The gas which causes suffocation and death when coal or coke is burned in a closed room is carbon monoxide. Alum is used as a purifier of water. The nuclear fuel of sun is helium. The most malleable metal is gold. The organic compounds are only soluble in non-polar solvents. Which acid is used in soft drinks, and it is carbonic acid? And which acid is present in bee sting, and it is methanoic acid? Tooth enamels are made of calcium phosphate. The name catalyst was given by Berzelius scientist. The number of spinal nerves in a human body is 31 pairs. What is used to avoid melting of ice, and it is gelatin. Carbon occur in nature in the purest form as diamond. Oxidation is also called loss of electrons. In nuclear reactor, chain reaction is controlled using cadmium rod. The radioactive element most commonly detected in human is potassium 40. Hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of nuclear fusion. The ultra pure metal is obtained using zone refining method. The most abundant metal in earth crust is aluminium. Balloons are filled with helium gas. Which element is common in all acids, and it is hydrogen. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.